guys, welcome back to our channel after ages.
Yeah, I think it's been like 3 months since we have uploaded anything, and the reason for that is we always wanted to upload travel videos on this channel, and we had plans of going to Europe for 3 months, but obviously COVID spoiled that.
Well, we named our channel The Travelicious Couple and we haven't uploaded any travel video. So that's why we thought we should take a break and from these random videos that we have been posting, and we should just wait till we can start traveling again and put some travel videos.
So our trip turned out to be a big adventure for us. We got stuck in a mudslide.
We saw a bear.
We saw a bear, which he was really happy about because I saw them 3 times before she saw it once.
I just saw it in the video that you took. I didn't even see it because I was driving, so I didn't even see it. He took the video when we were driving past, and then I just saw it in the video. So yeah, I was pretty unlucky.
Driving to Banff is a truly wonderful experience, and we wanted to take every bit of time on our trip to enjoy all the scenery and all the stops along the way. So we started off from our hometown in Vancouver and went to Kelowna, where we spent a night, before moving on to Revelstoke. Our plans slightly got derailed in Revelstoke, but then we continued on to Banff. In Banff, we spent a couple of nights, saw everything there was to see before moving forward to Jasper via the Icefields Parkway, one of the most beautiful roads that we have ever been on. Following that, we basically just took a straight shot directly back to our hometown of Vancouver.
So this video ended up being quite long, so we have it in 2 parts. So in the first part of this video, you will see our trip getting to Banff, and in the second part, we will be taking you around Banff to Jasper and back. So let's get started.
Hey guys, so we are ready to go. We are super excited. It's been 3 months since we have traveled, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
It is. So we are going to Banff. Let's go, guys.
When we started out, it was raining pretty heavily, but then as we kept moving east towards Kelowna, the weather cleared up.
So we have reached Kelowna. It took us 4 hours to get here. Ishita drove all the way here. I am so proud of her. And we'll be on our way to Banff tomorrow early morning.
We woke up to some beautiful views of the Okanagan, but sadly Ishita had hurt her back and we had to go see a doctor.
Hi Ishita. What's happening to you?
Are you seriously making a video? The back is hurting. I'm at the chiropractor. Hey guys, so today we are going to go from Kelowna to Banff, and we have stopped at IHOP for my favorite brunch place. So we're just going to grab a quick bite and then we will be on our way to Banff. We're going to stop at a few places on our way and we will check in with you then. So we are in Lake Country right now, which is on our way from Kelowna to Banff, and we came across this amazing winery. So we have stopped here for a quick wine tasting, and it has beautiful views. So we wanted to give you guys a quick tour. have this amazing picnic area right here where after the wine tasting you can like grab a glass of wine or a bottle of wine and enjoy it with this amazing view of the lake. So we have taken the Pinot Noir, we love reds, and we're just going to enjoy a glass each right now.
We started on a journey from Kelowna to Banff, driving between mountains with wispy clouds all around us. It was beautiful. I even got a chance to take some drone shots along the way.
Hey guys, so bad news. We were stopped halfway to Revelstoke and told that there is a mudslide, so we can't go any further.
We have to wait till 5 p.m. for the update to know what's happening, or if we have to turn back and take a detour from Kamloops.
So now that we can't go anywhere for the next 2 hours, we are going to sit here in front of Dutchman and have our ice cream.
So there's no ETA when they'll be able to open the roads, so we have decided to check out a couple places nearby and spend the night here in Salmon Arm. So we are going to check out Mara Lake and Hyde Mountain Golf Park. So currently we are standing in the Hyde Mountain Golf Park, and you can see the view behind of the lake, and then there's also the golf course right there, and then we are going to go later to Mara Lake and continue with our journey tomorrow to Banff.
After driving for a while, we reached the spot that's called the Three Valley Gap. However, we could not stop here because of all the traffic on our route.
Hey guys, day 3. We have finally reached Revelstoke. It was a long journey. We had to wait for 4 hours in lines before we were able to get through. But yeah, finally we made it through. So we're gonna go check out this place called Meadows in the Sky Parkway. Hopefully it'll be pretty cool. It is raining a little bit, but I'm pretty excited about this place. And then we are going to head out to Yoho National Park and finally to Banff. See you guys. hope you guys liked this video.
Please stay tuned for the next part of this video where we will be taking you around Banff, Jasper, Icefields Parkway and back home.
We promise that we'll be uploading videos regularly now. We have started traveling as much as we can. We had a trip to Banff. We went to the Sunshine Coast in BC, which is beautiful, and we have plans to go camping as well as
Go to Victoria. We are going to go to the wine country, Okanagan. So yes, we have been traveling in and around BC because that's what we can do right now, and we want to make the most of the summer before it ends. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, please, and thank you.